Oh, wow. Looks like we got a pyramid. Is that a gold pyramid? Go check the checklist.
That's what I'm... It's Tubi toys.
Oh my gosh, so much fun. Come on, Dash. Come on in. The water's fine. Coming in. Woo! Oh my gosh, this feels great. Woo! I'm coming in. Oh! That slide is just not big enough for my big butt. Isn't this great, kids? We're finally on vacation. Good thing our super suits are also wetsuits. That's right, Dad. I'm so happy to be finally relaxing. Me too. Even baby Jack Jack loves the sand. Goo 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 goo. Okay, Jack Jack, do you want to build a sandcastle? Goo goo. Oh, excellent. Let's build one. This is great. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to lay out and take a nice suntan. Yeah, me too. I'm just gonna relax here. We're gonna sit here and build sandcastles. Have fun, everybody. Okay, Jack Jack. Let's see what you can do. You wanna build a sandcastle? Yay! Okay, let me go get some tools. Okay, honey, let's build a beautiful big sandcastle. First, we're gonna need our mold. Wow, it's so big. Watch this, I'm gonna fill it up with some sand. Ready? I'm gonna make the best sandcastle. Do you like our sandcastle? Isn't it so cool? And you can keep digging and digging and digging with our tool here, and look! There's something hidden underneath the sand! What could it be? Oh my gosh, it looks like a blind bag! Wow, how funny! It's a Stretch Armstrong blind bag! This is really cool! They're called flex flingers! That's some dune that you climbed! What's this gold glittery thing shining through the sand? Yeah, what is it? Huh. Let's dig a little bit and let's see. Treasure X. It's a treasure chest. Bob! Bob, I need your help! Oh my gosh, we found a treasure chest. Hey, Bob. We found a treasure chest. Wow, that's really cool. I'm gonna go get Violet so she can watch the kids. Alright, cool. Hey, Mom. I heard you found a treasure chest. I did, honey. Do you want to see it? No, it's okay. I'm gonna watch the kids. I can't wait to show Dash his new mask tan line. But honey, you still have your... He's so funny with that tan line. Oh, forget it, dear. Ugh. Just watch the kids, okay? Okay, Mom, I'm gonna go get Jack Jack. Come on, Jack Jack. Wow, you were not kidding, Helen. This is some treasure box. I told you, Bob, it is so big. I hope there's some gold inside. Wow, me too. We could use some gold. Well, not really, but oh, this is really heavy. Wow, thank you so much, Bob. No problem. I'm gonna go swimming now. This is the life. Wow, this is so cool. Let's go to the beach and then find toy surprises, especially a Stretch Armstrong toy and a Treasure X. This is a new type of blind box, and there are so many different kinds of treasure inside. You can find even gold dip treasures, and it's by Moose Toys. There are 10 levels of adventure. First, we find the map, we rip a gold layer, we use the doubloon, that's the coin, to decode our quest, and then we uncover a digging tool. We're gonna dig and chip out the rock, discover bones and a weapon, and we're gonna build our treasure hunter. We're gonna find our treasure chest, add water to fizz, and voila, a toy surprise will come, and it will be your treasure, and hopefully we'll get a gold one. So let's open first this amazing Treasure X toy. I've been waiting to open this. I can't wait. Let's do it. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys, and with my awesome assistant,
Tubi.
Can you say hello, Tubi?
Hello, Tubi.
Hey guys, today we are opening up some toy surprises that Elastigirl and baby Jack Jack found at the beach. We're gonna open up this Treasure X first. This is so super cool.
Yeah.
This is gonna come out in a couple of weeks in stores.
Yeah. And these toys, we never opened them before. It's our first time opening them.
That's right. This is our first time, and
yeah.
This comes in a nice shiny gold box, and the box is iridescent too. That means it's like a hologram. That's so cool.
I hope we get a gold one. I just hope.
Here's our tray. Oh, and there's our tool. Oh, here's our checklist For easier digging, unwrap and place block under running water for 30 seconds. Okay, found our tool. This tool is so cool. It's going to help us dig.
Ooh.
Wow, here is our map that we're going to use our decoder coin to find out what kind of treasure we're looking for. Oh, wow, here's our collector's guide. And you could also collect all these types of treasures. They're all on the side of the treasure map.
Do you know how you could take the heads off and the bodies off and the legs off and the hands off for the pirates because they're skeletons?
Yeah, well, you have to build them. That's why.
Oh.
Here is... Oh, there's our doubloon. Wow, look at that. It's like a pyramid.
I think it's a gold one.
I hope so. All right, now we have to decode our treasure. So it looks like over here that we have... It looks like over here that we have a palm tree. This, I don't know what that is, or that. So let's look at our map. Okay, let's look around. So we're looking for a palm tree. And it looks like a money bag. Let's see. Palm tree and a money bag. And this looks like a mountain. So, we found it! We're going on the quest for the golden pyramid!
Ooh.
What do you think of that, Elastigirl? That's really cool. Alright, let's get started. We'll use our drill. Oh, wow, look. Covered something that's gold. Here we go. It broke off. Wow, what is this? We found a weapon and it's gold.
Ooh, we still need to dig.
Oh, and there's our treasure box.
The checklist?
Because he has like green sneakers on. It looks like a mummy. Oh my goodness. Look, he looks like a zombie. There's his torso, and look, he even has gold. This, and where's our weapon? We have our weapon. All right, let's give our skeleton and our weapon a bath to get all of the gook off. All the gook from the...
Sand.
From the... Well, yeah, from the pyramid. Oh, wow. He's so cool. And we have his left leg, his left arm. Oh, wow, this is a beautiful gold weapon. It's an axe, too. So primitive. Here is our doubloon. Our right leg.
And
our torso. Oh, and look at that amazing crest. That charm necklace. This looks like, I hope we struck some gold. He's a part of the Tomb Hunters category. His name is Gold Cursor. Ooh. Oh, wow. They have ultra rare glow-in-the-dark figures, too. And rare crystal figures. Oh, wow. I hope he struck gold. This is so cool. Oh, let's build this dude.
There we go. And now, here.
He's put together. We did it. We did it. Now we just have to put his weapon in his hand so he's ready to give us his treasure. Or maybe even fight for it. Stand on his own. They're very hard to put together. You can move their arms, but honestly, because of how hard they are to put together, it's really hard to pose them.
If you like move your arms up and down, your arms might fall off.
Yeah.
And that's bad because
your parents are going to be putting these together if you don't have any issues like I do. Okay, we did it. He's put together. Now we can get our treasure box. Uh-oh, I don't think he likes the sound of that. Sorry, but you made it really easy for me to get. Here we go. We're going to put the treasure chest now in this little black container. Pour some water over it, and it's going to fizz over, and we're going to see our toy surprise or our treasure. It's a super heavy treasure chest. I can only imagine maybe there's some gold inside. Hey, Mr. Gold Cursor over here. Yes? Is there any gold in there? You'll have to find out for yourself. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let me get the rest of the family. Hey guys, everybody get up. Let's go and play. Hey guys, come on, let's go. Oh, we love relaxing though. Oh, now we're gonna get to see Dash and his new suntan. I left my mask on. So did you though. You left your mask on too. I know, but it's funnier on you. Ha ha ha. Oh wow, let's open up our treasure chest. Oh my goodness, what's this? A little scroll? All right, so it's telling us how to uncover our treasure. We don't dig for it, we fizz for it. All right, let's pour some water over.
Oh, it's fizzing. It was like orange juice.
There's something in there that's shiny. Oh wow, looks like we got a pyramid. Is that a gold pyramid? Go check the checklist.
That's what I'm
Oh my gosh, guys. I think we got the ultra rare gold dip treasure. Oh my gosh, we did! We really struck gold!
Yay!
Oh my gosh, we struck gold! Look at this! Let's take it out. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's so heavy. It feels like real gold. Guys, look at this. We got one of the ultra rare gold dip treasures, and it's the golden pyramid. We are super, super lucky. My gosh, this is so cool. I'll let you have my pyramid, but next time, I'm gonna get you. I'm just kidding. I love you guys. You're my favorite. Oh, we knew that, Gold Cursor. Hey, look at the little guy. He's playing with my axe. Now, Jack. You don't want him doing that. Let's open up the Stretch Armstrong blind bag. All right, we have our Stretch Armstrong Flex Flinger. It's a blind bag. Ooh, who's inside? It's the same one. Oh, wow, it's like a big... Oh my gosh, we got a target and we got a slingshot. This is so cool. These are cool. And you attach your Flex Flinger like this. Oh.
Whoa!
That's awesome.
I want to try that.
Let's take a look at him though. You want to see how super stretchy he is? You could pull him like this. He's so stretchy, just like Elastigirl. These are so cool, and I got them at Walmart. Wow, that was awesome.
I knocked on this guy and knocked down Dash missing crab.
Oh, I fell. I'd never thought something like that would ever take me down. That is crazy. So cool. Wow, that was awesome. My gosh, I love Flex Flingers. Mom, you found the greatest stuff. This is like the all-time best treasure hunt ever. I know. Thank you so much, everybody, for helping us unbox all of our cool treasures. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. And how awesome is that we got the treasure that's dipped in gold. So cool. And ring that notification bell. We have more fun videos like this coming. Have a great day, guys. Have an incredible day.
Have a mommy day. Have a fling shot day. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah.